Well, taxes, specifically how much we pay in taxes, is probably one of those topics you'd rather not hear about. But there is some sobering news tonight about how much we all shell out. According to the Fraser Institute, the average Canadian family spends more on taxes than on food, shelter and clothing combined. Jacques Barbeau has our report.
Taxes. You pay them when you fill up your car, buy a beer or a pack of cigarettes, or when you buy a home. And that's on top of income taxes and the GST. Everywhere you turn, governments have their hands out looking for money. And a new study says they're reaching ever deeper into your wallet.
It's almost half of your salary goes to taxes. Geez, that's terrible.
It's relentless. It's suppressing.
The study by the Fraser Institute says in the past 50 years, the tax bill of the average Canadian family has increased much faster than the cost of housing, clothing and food. In fact, Canadians pay more to the taxman than they do for the basic necessities of life.
Unless governments change course, unless they rein in their spending, unless they reform programs to get more out of them, we will see the tax burden continue to increase.
We are going to give consumers a tax cut.
The Harper government feels it has done its part to lessen the tax burden on Canadians, saying the problem lies with other levels of government. And the finance minister says if Canadians are feeling overtaxed, they have the power to change things.
The population decides what the balance should be between services and costs.
We may not like them, but taxes are necessary. They pay for our roads, public transit, healthcare system. But the NDP says when you look around, the better question to ask is, are we getting value for our tax dollars?
To me, it's not the level of taxation, are those dollars being effectively spent in ways that provide the services Canadians need?
The average Canadian family now pays 41% of its income to the taxman. And if the trend of the last 50 years is any indication, don't expect a break anytime soon. Jacques Barbeau, Global News, Ottawa.